Good morning, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I shared a glimpse of my personal journey through grief, a journey that ultimately led me to rediscover the power of self-love and become the person I am today. Today, we're delving into the topic of unlocking abundance in your life and manifesting your dreams. It's all about focusing our thoughts, our emotions, and actions on what we desire and drawing these things into our lives. But here's the secret sauce. It's not just about wishing for it. It's about becoming it. Our subconscious mind holds the key to our patterns, our beliefs, and our behaviors. And many of these are deeply rooted in limiting beliefs and can hold us back from reaching our full potential. So it's through subconscious mind reprogramming that we can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, paving the way for the law of attraction to work more efficiently and effectively in our favor, which is what we want. So how do we tap into the power of the subconscious mind? This is where meditation comes in. Meditation not only allows us to access the subconscious, but it also allows us to achieve clarity and focus. And it's in this state that we can effectively visualize our goals and implant new empowering beliefs into our subconscious. And when we combine these elements, magic happens. Meditation enables us to vividly visualize our desires, and this visualization, coupled with deep beliefs in the possibility of achieving our goals, amplifies our ability to manifest and to attract what we're seeking, both personally and professionally, in every area of our life. The beauty of this approach is its holistic nature. It's not just about achieving external success. That's all great, but it's about transforming from the inside out so that even when we have all of that external success, we on a deep level inside ourselves, we feel that joy and sense of fulfillment, which is basically what it's all about. No point in having all the external success if you don't feel happy with inside and about it all. So it's about aligning our deepest desires with your highest aspirations and stepping into the most empowered version of yourself. And when you do that, the sky is the limit. Now, when you're ready, let's settle into a comfortable position and we're going to begin our meditation on abundance, allowing you to define abundance in your own way, whether it be wealth, health, or any goal that you want to manifest. So think about what abundance means to you and get yourself ready for your meditation. This is Jess, and I really, really love you. When you're ready, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to relax, releasing any tension or stress. With each breath, sink deeper into serenity, feeling your body becoming lighter and more at ease. Allow your mind to calm and your heart to open up to the infinite possibilities that await you. Begin by focusing on your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. With each inhale, imagine drawing in positivity and potential. With each exhale, release any doubts or fears that may hinder your journey towards abundance. Continue this breathing pattern, feeling more relaxed and open with each breath. Now, with a calm mind and an open heart, start to envisage what abundance means to you. It might be wealth, financial freedom that allows you to live comfortably and give generously. Perhaps it's health, a state of complete physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Or maybe it's creative achievement, like securing a book deal or completing a project. Take a moment to really picture this abundance in your life. Visualize it as clearly as you can. Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing? How do you feel? Try to engage all your senses to make this visualization as vivid and detailed as possible. As you hold this vision in your mind, begin to affirm your path to this abundance. Repeat the following affirmations to yourself, aligning your energy with what you want to manifest. I am open and ready to receive abundance in all its forms. I trust that the universe will provide me with what I need to achieve my dreams. I am worthy of the abundance I seek. every day, in every way, I am becoming more attuned to the abundance around me. Feel these affirmations resonating within you, reinforcing your belief in your ability to attract and achieve the abundance you desire. As you continue to meditate on your unique vision of abundance, consider any barriers or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Reflect on these obstacles without judgment or frustration, but with compassion and understanding for yourself. Breathe deeply, and as you exhale, visualize yourself letting go of these limitations. See them dissipating like clouds, clearing from the sky, revealing the vast, open expanse of potential. Affirm to yourself, I release anything that does not serve my pursuit of abundance. Shift your focus to gratitude. Think about what you already have in your life that aligns with your definition of abundance. It might be supportive relationships, a fulfilling job, or good health. Express heartfelt thanks for these blessings, recognizing that gratitude is a powerful attractor of more abundance. Feel gratitude not only for what you have, but also for what is yet to come. Trust that everything you are working towards is on its way to you, and feel thankful for the journey of growth and achievement. All the abundance that you desire is on its way to you now. And it is done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As this meditation comes to a close, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently move your head from side to side. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of possibility and positivity with you as you move through your day. Remember that each step you take is a step towards the abundance you envisage for yourself. This is Jess, supporting you to manifest your dreams, and I love you.